Day 5, last day of the week, so we're looking at number bonds. And I know how good you are with number bonds, but I thought we could just start with a bit of a refresher, ready for summer, and you can think about your number bonds over summer holidays as well. So we know our number bonds to 10, we know them to 20, so we should be really good with those. And we've got a song here. Remember that song? I think it was one we did in class as well, so you should be able to sing along with that one. If we have a look at our 10 frames, so we've got some red counters and we've got some blue counters. So we need to fill in our gaps here to help us find our number bonds. So we've got, how many red counters do we have? We have 6. So we can add 6 in our missing gap here, and 4 blue counters. And all together we have, so 6 and 4 makes 10. So altogether we have 10 counters. Now if we wrote that as a sum, or as a calculation, or a number sentence, we would say 6 plus 4 equals 10. And then remember we can do it the other way as well. So we can start with 4. So we can do 4 plus 6 equals 10. So remember with addition we don't mind what number comes first as long as we get the correct answer. Now we've got 2 10 frames down here. And I know that you will see that it equals 20 altogether. But let's look at our missing gap. So there are how many red counters altogether? Well, we know there's 10 here. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 red counters. And we've got 4 blue counters again. So altogether there are 16 and 4 is 20. So 20 counters, and then we've got 16 plus 4 equals 20, or 4 plus 16 equals 20. So remembering it doesn't matter which way you put it in. Activity 1, 2 and 3. So these are some activities you would have seen before, the numbers have just changed, so you should be able to think about how they are worked out. So if we have a look at our first activity, we've got 15, and looking at our numicon. So we know that the blue numicon is 10 and the red numicon is 5. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. So we put that in our number sentence. Or we could do 5 plus 10 equals 15. And then we have over here, we have our number bar models. We have our bar models for our number sentences. This time we have 18 at the top. So we've already got 4. So we need to add 4 to another number to get 18. So maybe you can use a number line, or you can use your fingers, or even if you'd like to draw your own number line, and you can jump on your number line. So, and then you can complete our sentence here. Then we've got activity 2, is again looking at our part whole model. So I've forgotten, part whole model, and looking at 12 is our number. We've got 5 here, and we've got 7 in the next one. So thinking about all those number bonds that we have. So 5 plus 7, that's one of our number bonds that you could put here, and then you can keep going until you find all your number bonds to 12. And then we've got bar models as well. Remember, use a number line, draw yourself a number line, ask somebody to print one out for you, up to you what you'd like to do with your number lines, but try your hardest with this one. Then we've got our reasoning. So we use some equipment to represent each of the calculations below, and then thinking what is the same and what is different. So we've got 7 plus 3 equals 10, and we know that. 17 plus 3 equals 20, and then 20 equals 7 plus 13. So remember how we talked about when we did number bonds to 20, it's like the same number bonds to 10 except for adding a 10. So we add 10 to the first number, so it gives us that extra 10 at the end. And when you have a look at what is different, well this time instead of doing 17 plus 3 equals 20, they've started with 20 and done 20 equals and then the number sentence. So just try to remember the different ways that you can set out your number sentences. We've got true or false as well, and it's a bit of a longer one because you need to write down all your number bonds to 20 and all your number bonds to 10 and see which one has the more number bonds. Is it 10 or is it 20? Extra work on my maths as well, and Timetable Rockstars also. Please send me some work. I would love to see some work. I've seen some work already, but I would love to see some more, especially as we're going into summer. And please, please, please try your best with all these and send me some things, and hopefully I'll see you soon.